If you've ever waited hours for your EV to charge from a regular outlet, you already know how much the right home charger can change your routine. The issue is that not all EV chargers are built the same. Some are better for speed, some are smarter with app control, and others are better for outdoor setup. That's why we put together this list of the 7 best home EV chargers, each one standing out for a different type of driver and home setup. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these home EV chargers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the ChargePoint HomeFlex. This is the best charging network. You're not just getting a charger for your home, you're also getting access to one of the biggest EV charging ecosystems out there. ChargePoint gives you access to over 274,000 stations across North America and Europe, plus over 565,000 roaming partner stations. That makes it useful at home and on the road. You can charge in your driveway, then use the same app to find stations when you're out. And honestly, that app is a big part of the appeal. You can manage your home charger, set reminders, check charging data, find stations, and connect to smart home devices. Everything feels easy to control from your phone. For home charging, the HomeFlex has plenty of power too. It charges up to 9 times faster than a 120-volt outlet and can deliver up to 45 miles of range per hour, depending on your vehicle. You can plug in at night and wake up ready for the next drive. And here's what Aaron says. This turned out to be a really great choice for us. The equipment is excellent and the app is wonderfully intuitive. Highly recommend this for the EV owner. So if you want home charging with a huge network behind it, the ChargePoint HomeFlex is a smart choice. Number 6 is the Autel Maxi Charger. This is the best weatherproof EV charger on our list. The Autel Maxi Charger is the one to look at when you want something that feels ready for outdoor use. Its biggest strength is the weatherproof build. You get a NEMA Type 4 rating, which means it's made to handle rain, snow, hail, and sleet. That gives you more flexibility with placement. You can mount it outside your home or keep it inside the garage. Either way, it's built to stay reliable through changing weather. And there's more protection built in too. You get fire resistance, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and overtemperature protection. It feels powerful, but it also feels thoughtfully designed for long-term use. Now, when it comes to charging speed, this one is strong. It delivers up to 50 amps and 12 kilowatts. It can add up to 37 miles of range per charging hour. That's great for regular home charging. You can get home, plug in, and have your EV ready without making it a whole thing. Another nice touch is the 25-foot cable. It stays flexible even in cold weather, down to minus 40 degrees Celsius. Plus, the Autel Charge app lets you schedule charging, manage charge times, and take advantage of off-peak electricity. And here's what Skilla says. I had this installed by an electrician when I bought my first EV and have it mounted in my garage. It has worked terrific from day one. Setup was straightforward, and once installed, it has been completely reliable. So if you want a charger that's built for outdoor confidence, the Autel Maxi Charger. Number 5 is the Clever Charge Level 2. This is the most AI-driven EV charger on our list. The Clever Charge Level 2 stands out because it makes home charging feel smarter. The key feature here is the Clever Key AI system. It helps you create smart charging schedules, get real-time notifications, and monitor energy use from your phone. That's what makes it feel different from a basic plug-in charger. You can see what's happening, adjust things easily, and keep your charging routine more organized. The Clever Charge app can manage multiple chargers across multiple properties from a single account. That keeps different EVs, homes, and charging activity easier to track. For speed, it holds up well too. This 240-volt Level 2 charger can charge up to 7 times faster than a standard 120-volt outlet and add up to 38 miles of range per hour. You also get a J1772 connector for North American EVs and plug-in hybrids with J1772 ports. And with the NEMA 1450 plug, setup feels simple when you already have the right outlet ready. The 25-foot heavy-duty cable adds more convenience too. You get extra reach across the garage or driveway. So if you want smarter charging with AI-powered control, the Clever Charge Level 2 is a great fit. And if you want to know the latest prices for the EV chargers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Iveco NAX charger. This is the best plug-in Tesla EV charger on our list. You can plug it directly into Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y without needing a Tesla adapter. That makes daily charging feel much smoother. You also get a built-in button on the connector that opens the Tesla charging port. It's a small detail, but you'll probably appreciate it every time you plug in. And because this is a plug-in level 2 charger, it works with a NEMA 1450 outlet. With up to 40 amps on a dedicated 240-volt circuit, it can recharge most EVs overnight. The app control is useful as well. You can start or stop charging, adjust the current from 6 to 40 amps, set reminders, and track energy use and cost from your phone. The enhanced Wi-Fi antenna also helps it stay connected in garages and basements with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Plus, the build is made for garage or outdoor use. It has UL, ETL, FCC, and Energy Star certification, along with an IP66 and NEMA4 weatherproof enclosure. That helps it handle rain, snow, heat, and dust. You also get a 25-foot charging cable, OTA firmware updates, a side reset button, and a fluorescent holster that's easier to spot in low light. So if you want a plug-in Tesla charger for home, the Iveco NACS charger is the easy pick. Number 3 is the Emporia Pro Power Smart. This is the best load management EV charger on our list. This is the one to look at if your home has limited electrical service. Its biggest strength is load management. It uses Emporia's PowerSmart technology to work with your existing electrical panel and automatically balance the load while your EV charges. That's a big deal because you can charge at the fastest safe speed possible without jumping straight into a panel upgrade. It's built to make home charging feel smarter, especially if your house already has a lot of power demand. And the included Emporia View makes that even better. You get real-time insights into your home's energy use, which helps you see what's happening across your setup. You can charge smarter, reduce wasted energy, and understand your electricity use in a much clearer way. For charging speed, this is a strong setup too. It's a 48 amp level 2 charger with a 240 volt connection, and it comes with a 25-foot charging cable. That gives you plenty of power for daily home charging and enough reach for most garage or driveway layouts. And the app control is also really useful. You can automate charging schedules, avoid peak utility rates, and track usage in real time from your phone. That gives you more control without making the process feel complicated. Plus, it's built for real homes. You get a durable, weather-resistant design, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, and responsive US-based support from Emporia. So if you want smart charging that manages your home's power better, the Emporia Pro Power Smart is the right fit. Number 2 is the Emporia Level 2. This is the best value. The Emporia Level 2 gives you a lot for the money, and that's why it stands out as the most value-packed option here. You get strong charging speed, smart app control, flexible installation, and broad EV compatibility in one clean home setup. Right away, the speed is a major highlight. With a hardwired connection, it can deliver up to 48 amps and add up to 46 miles of range per hour. With the NEMA plug setup, it can deliver up to 40 amps and add up to 38 miles of range per hour. Either way, you're getting charging that's much faster than a standard wall outlet. And what's nice is that it gives you installation flexibility too. It comes pre-configured for a NEMA 1450 plug, but you can also convert it to a hardwired setup if you want the higher output. That makes it easier to choose the setup that matches your home. You also get smart charging through the Emporia app. Once it's connected through 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, you can view real-time energy data, manage charging from your phone, and schedule sessions around better utility rates. On the safety side, it's UL listed and Energy Star certified, which adds a lot of peace of mind for everyday use. And because it uses the secure SAEJ 1772 connector, it works with all North American EVs, including Tesla, with the right adapter. So if you want the most features for the money, the Emporia Level 2 is an easy pick. Number 1 is the Tesla Universal Wall Connector. This is the best overall. The Tesla Universal Wall Connector takes the top spot because it works with almost everything. Its biggest advantage is the dual connector setup. It can switch between NACS and J1772, which means you can use it with Tesla vehicles and other major North American EVs. That makes it especially practical if you have more than one EV at home. Maybe you drive a Tesla now. Maybe someone else in your home drives a non-Tesla EV. Or maybe you just want a charger that feels ready for whatever you buy next. This one gives you that flexibility, and charging speed is strong too. It can deliver up to 44 miles of range per hour with up to 11.5 kilowatts and 48 amps, depending on the vehicle and breaker size. That gives you fast level 2 charging for everyday use without making things feel complicated. Another thing that makes it feel premium is the adjustable output. You can customize it to your existing power supply with possible configurations like 48 amps, 40 amps, 32 amps, 24 amps, 16 amps, and 12 amps. That helps you get the best setup for your home. And for convenience, it has a versatile indoor and outdoor design with a 24-foot cable. You get enough reach for most parking setups, and the clean Tesla design looks great on the wall too. There's also Tesla PowerShare support for Cybertruck, which can help power your home during an outage when properly set up. So if you want the best all-around home EV charger, the Tesla Universal Wall Connector is the one to get. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect EV charger. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each EV charger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.